Hi friends, here is a beautiful problem. We are given first and positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like this. Right? We don't know what is the time. Now one of these numbers is removed. Be 1, it could be 10, it could be n, whatever. Right? Now the remaining numbers, whatever they are making an average of 35 7 by 17. Right? Now what is that number that is removed? This is a beautiful problem. Let us learn and understand how averages behave. Let us take sample five numbers. First five numbers 1 to 5. What is the average? Average is the one which is at the center, which is 3. Right. Now there are two ways of removing. Either you remove the lowest or you remove the highest. And let's see what will the average become. If you remove the highest, let's say 5 is removed. If you left with 1, 2, 3, 4, the average will become again center of this, which is 2.5. If you remove the lowest, then these four will remain 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, the average will become center of this, which is 3.5. Right. Now, in the 5 set, if you remove any other number, the average will remain between 2.5 and 3.5. Right. Originally, what was the average? Which is 3 in a 5 member set. If if you remove the highest, it is becoming 2.5. If you remove the lowest, it is increasing to 3.5. Basically, if you remove one number, from the set, the set is whatever is the set. Let's say if there are 10 numbers or 20 numbers, whatever. What is the average of first n numbers? It will always be n plus 1 by 2 because n plus 1 by 2 will stay at the center. Right, it will always be n plus 1 by 2. For example, 4, it is 4 plus 1 by 2, which is 2.5. For 5, it is 5 plus 1 by 2, which is 3. Right. Now, if you remove the highest number or lowest number, the average will move between minus 0.5 to plus 0.5. Right, that is the max you can move. Now we are given that the average of the remaining numbers is 37 7 by 17, which is roughly equal to 35 7 by 17, which is roughly equal to 35.4. Right. So if the remaining average is 35.4, just realize that average can at max move between minus 0.5 to plus 0.5. In that case, what would be the original average? If the original average is 35, average can move between 34.5 to 35.5. If the original average is 35.5, then the average after remote can move between 35 to 36, minus 0.5 to plus 0.5. Right. Similarly, if it is 34.5, it can move between minus 0.5, which is 34 to 35. In this case, it can move between 33.5 to 34.5. Right. And if original average is 34. Clearly, we are not concerned about this because our average is 35.4, which is greater than this one. We are not concerned about this also because here the limit is 35. We have these two options. We are left with these two options only. Right. Original average can be 35 or 35.5. So that the new average can become 35.4. Right. Now here we are also given the new average is 35 7 by 17. The denominator some 17 is there. What does that mean? After one digit is removed, the number of numbers that are remaining, right, should be a multiple of 17. Right. Otherwise 17 will not come in the limit. Right. Whatever are the numbers, those numbers, which this is the average of some numbers, right? And in this, the denominator is 17. What does that mean? The number of numbers for which this is the average should be a multiple of 17. Right? Otherwise, denominator 17 will not come. What does that mean? N minus 1 is a multiple of 17. So here in this case, n can 69 only. Because 69 minus 1, 68 is a multiple of 17. Whereas 70 minus 1, 69 is not a multiple of 17. That means original number of numbers is 69. And obviously, if 1 to 69 are the first numbers, first n positive numbers, then the average will become 69 plus 1 by 2, which is 35. Right. So what will be the total? 69 into 35. That is the total of all these 1 to 69 numbers. Now, we are given some number is removed. Doesn't matter. It still has 68 numbers with this average. So total of these 68 numbers is 35 7 by 17, it's become 602 by 17 times 68 because we still have 68 numbers. So 69 times 35 will become 2415. This will become 17 will go 4 times. 4 times 602, 2408. So the difference is actually 7. So the set of numbers is 1, 2, 3, whatever we have till 69 is the first set, and minus 7 is removed to get this. So that the remaining average has become 35 7 by 17. Right, guess. This is a nice problem. Hope you like this. Thank you.